Hi, I'm Panderina Soumas, Chef Panderina, or Chef Pan to most of you. I am the owner of Soumas Heritage Creole Creations and Catering with Creole Culture and Cuisine, the roux and roots, it's all in the history. And today we fixed jambalaya and a black bean bacon and yam and okra stew and buttered seasoned grilled bread. This was my first time using an induction cooktop. Picked it up pretty quick, yeah. A couple times I was a little leery. I kept thinking, okay, I'm gonna start a fire or something's gonna explode. But no, it was very easy. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it very much. Very controllable. The quickness of how you can lower the heat and raise it up is very fast. I mean, of course you have that with gas stoves, but this was very, very, very quick. And I can control it in between. So, and then of course I can use the side that I'm not using. You know, it's not gonna get hot. I was still a little leery about leaving something on it because I kept thinking it was going to burn. But yes, it was awesome. It was awesome.